Hey folks, today's update comes with a heavy heart as we delve into a tragic event that has rocked Malawi and captured global attention. Today morning, Malawi was struck by a devastating loss. Vice President Dr. Saulos Chilima, along with his wife and 8 others, perished in a catastrophic plane crash while navigating through the rugged terrain of the Chikangawa mountain range. The journey, which started in the capital, Lilongwe, was meant to be a short flight north to Mzuzu. They were heading to attend the funeral of the country's former Attorney General. However, fate took a tragic turn when the military aircraft they were aboard failed to land due to poor visibility and ultimately crashed. The news broke when President Lazarus Chakwera, in a somber national address, declared a day of national mourning. His words resonated with profound grief as he described the incident as a heartbreaking situation that has left the nation and indeed the world in shock. Dr. Chilima wasn't just a political figure, he was a dedicated servant of the people, a family man, and a visionary who worked tirelessly for the progress of Malawi. His untimely demise not only leaves a void in the hearts of those who knew him, but also poses significant implications for Malawi's political landscape. As we speak, the entire nation of Malawi is in mourning. Flags are flying at half-mast and people are coming together to remember and honor a man who dedicated his life to service. In these moments of collective grief, it's crucial to remember the impact of such leaders and the fragile nature of life itself. Our thoughts go out to the families of the victims, and we stand with Malawi during this incredibly tough time. Stay tuned for more updates as this story develops, and take a moment today to reflect on the lives of those who serve us all. Thanks for tuning in and take care.